Hi, today I want to show you this puzzle from Divoom. I got this from Divoom as a gift, but I don't get paid for making this video, so there's no requirement what I can say in this video. And this is not any random sample. Actually, I went to the website and then I picked something I believe is good and useful to me as well. Actually, this is not the first time I got a Divoom product. I got this time box many years ago. I bought it myself and I love it that much that I have made many videos of this time box in the past. And I picked this because I believe it's a good product. So let's open it. So let's check the paperwork first. Nice packaging. This is the Voombox-Pro. So, box here, nice cover, it's inside the box, very nice. And here's the speaker. Wow. So this one is also for outdoor, so all the buttons are waterproof and it's heavy. And here at the side, this is a box here. Okay, that's for the audio, and this is USB-C. Okay. A small booklet. On the side here, there are the ports, and you can see here, okay, this is a USB-C for charging the speaker, and it can also serve as a power bank. This is USB-A to charge your phone, for example, and this is the audio in, just in case you want to play music with device which has no Bluetooth. Okay, in general, it's very hard to demonstrate the sound quality via video. So for reference, I'm going to show you with my JBL link view. I'm going to play the same music clip on both speakers, and I will blend few seconds of the sound of my JBL speaker. I'm not going to compare the Divoom Pro with the JBL Link View because this one is more expensive and it's a Google Home Assistant and it's not portable. It's hard to compare two different things. Okay, let's enjoy the music. That was the sound test of my Voombox-Pro. I was using my JBL speaker as reference. I just want to show you what sound my camera can pick up. Unfortunately, the video doesn't really show a lot of difference, but in the real environment, I could hear my JBL box has more bass than the Voombox-Pro. That's because of the spec. If you look at the Voombox-Pro spec, the lower frequency response is 65 Hz, which is not very low. But when I turn up the volume and go further, the Voombox-Pro has much better quality sound. I can hear the solid bass, while the JBL start losing the clear sound. I guess the lack of bass of this box is because of its size. It's compact, but it has quite powerful sound. If you want something portable for outdoor, this is the one. The sound is great when you turn it up. The other thing I like of this box is that it has one speaker on each side. So I can put the speaker in the middle of the table and everyone surround the table can hear the music. According to the box, that's called 360 surround sound. I wouldn't call it surround sound because the sound just comes from a central point, and if you hear the music, you are not surrounded by the sound. One thing I rather have is to hear the music in mono, instead of one is playing the right channel and the other one is playing the left channel. The only way I can do that is to use a player where I can turn the mono on. I wish there is a button I can switch the speaker to mono mode. And it's even better if I can disable one speaker, because if I use it indoor, I like to put my speaker in front of the wall and I don't want to hear that much reflection noise from the wall. So I can disable one speaker. That would be great. Okay, that's all about it. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye!